Okay, class, welcome to a new week. It's April 4th, and we'll start a new week. But this week doesn't have so much in it. Well, it depends on how much you've done on your podcast project, whether there's a lot to do in this week or not for you. But yeah, there's some instruction basically on posting a podcast online. And then you also have your podcast project to submit by the end of this week. And so you've talked about the podcast project, hopefully online, and the discussion boards from the past week, gotten a little bit of feedback maybe on the ideas and what to include. So if you have not yet, now's the time to record those 2 episodes, and then submit those 2 episodes to me. And so that's what you need to do this week, basically. And just as a recap of some of the assignments for this, or some of the particular items for this podcast project. That's a hard thing to say 10 times fast. All right, here. So as a reminder, for this project, you will create a podcast theme. Develop 2 episodes of your podcast theme. Each episode must be between 3 to 10 minutes in length. These episodes must also feature good recording quality, sound balance, engaging voice, good structure, and episode-to-episode consistency. So remember what those things are. Recording quality means we can hear you well. There's not a lot of background noise. Sound balance means that different sounds in the podcast are not way louder than other sounds or way quieter than other sounds. Engaging voice, well, we talk about that, right? How do you have a good engaging voice? How do you make yourself sound excited or interesting or enthusiastic? Good structure and episode-to-episode consistency. And then also be sure the volume of your podcast is not too high or too low. And there must be a signature sound or music clip and appropriate sound effects. So remember to include all of these things in your podcast. I'm actually really excited to be hearing these. I'm excited to hear what you'll come up with. We have some good ideas about what to share about our classroom, for instance, with Bailey's project. Here's some things about 4th grade. We have some interesting other ideas in our class. With Leanne talking about the reading clinic, it'll be a good opportunity to share about that. And it'll be a good opportunity just to share about things that are going on in your world or things that you are interested in. And so let's see, when you are done with the recording and editing process, you'll post both episodes online using a podcasting site such as Podomatic or SoundCloud. And so the video that I have you watch this week will show you how to do it with Podomatic and post it on there. And the video is a few years old now, but it should be still relevant to Podomatic and its processes. So then all you do to hand this in is you upload a Word document containing a link to the online podcast episodes. So link me to the episodes. I'll go to them online and listen to them and grade them there after this week is over. So that's what's going on this week. It's our last chance, our last week in audio production before we move into video, project management and drama, and video documentary production and video editing. So the last unit, of course, in this class is about video. Have a good week, and we'll see you next week.